Luna Classic has been rising today with over 2.6% increase in price, but please forget about the rise today. Forget about Luna Classic pumping today. You know, most times you see a particular coin showing green rising, it looks as if that rise will continue. There is a strong signal showing that Luna is not ready for a long bullish. So I would advise, if you want to buy Luna Classic, just wait. You need to wait, okay? Based on the current, on the technical analysis you can see here, you need to wait, because even though Luna today is increasing by 2.6%, you can also take a look at Luna Classic market today and yesterday. Compare the trading volume, compare the market cap. I mean, you will discover that despite the rise today, Luna Classic LUNC have dropped in terms of market volume and market cap, but the price increases today. So despite this increase in price, forget about it. You need to focus more on the cash flow. You need to focus more on the money that is coming in and the money that is going out. That is one of the areas you need to focus. Okay, so 2.6% increase in price today. Forget about it. Do not buy for now. Do not invest. I'm even advising you not to trade Luna Classic for a long time. Rather not to trade Luna Classic for now. Let's see where the market is really pointing at. Let's see where the market is really diverting. Okay, so for those of you holding Luna Classic like me, myself, I staked my Luna Classic coin about 2 months ago, and after this staking, I don't want to stake for now, because I can see so many signals that I really want to, like, from now till in the next 3 to 5 months, what is definitely going to happen to Luna Classic, which we don't know, but we need to be vigilant, we need to be active, we need to be watchful of Luna Classic before something else happens. So for me, I'll be ready. I will not stake after this staking gets matured. I don't want to stake for now. I don't want to stake my Luna Classic LUNC for now. That is the truth. I might be diverting to other crypto coins, but I just want to wait and see to know if there is going to be a possibility for a rise. And if there is no possibility from now to the next few months, definitely I will be cashing out, or I'll be converting my Luna to stable coin. Then look for other coins that I can really invest my coins or my money on. But for now, please stay off. Wait. If you must buy or you must wait, you must trade, kindly wait for now, in order to understand the point where Luna is actually heading to, in order to understand the direction where Luna Classic is driving to. So please, with that, remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, let's keep waiting.